um, I don't think I was nervous when I was in this interview here at Tenor, because I read the criteria. Do you know what's criteria? So it's like the requirements, like what Tenor English wanted as a teacher. I read the requirements, and I think I met basically all of the requirements. So yeah, I was confident with that. And I wouldn't say it was just laid back, you know, hi, it's not like daily talk, definitely not like that. But I take it seriously, but I wasn't very nervous. Yeah. And I think you should keep this mindset as well for your job interview. So just think what people want. If you are the person that they want, then you don't have to be nervous. Yeah. Just imagine if you are the interviewer, what do you want from the interviewee? What do you want from people who come for, you know, ask for a job? Then you'll realize that they're not monsters, right?
It's good.
Yeah.
Good things.
Yeah. Just like that, you know, Miss May, right? Miss May is not a monster,
Yeah.
but when she becomes a interviewer, people will probably think that the interviewer is a monster, like somebody is really serious, but it's not the case. It's not true, right?
Teacher things.
Are you 17? How old are you right now? 17, yeah.
How old are you?
Guess.
20.
Older than that.
25.
28.
28?
Yeah.
Quite
So I don't like 28. That's great to hear that. Yeah, I mean, I think it's good to be, what's the word? To keep young in your mind. Yeah. Yeah, like it's not how you maintain, how you take care of your skin. It's just you think in a childish way. Think like a kid. What's your plan after graduated from here?
I want to be
Chef? Oh, great.
because if I be chef, I can receive the visa.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so you want to work as a chef to get a to become a permanent resident. Awesome. Yeah, and I think chef is good job because you get good pay. Yeah.
I need to work. I have a system.
You need to work what?
I need to work. He will work. I have a system.
Uh-huh. Oh. So do you need to go to what's that called? TAFE to study cook? Yeah. Sort of like college. Yeah.
My brother will go here.
Your brother wants to come to here. Your younger brother or?
Younger brother.
Yeah.
My sister
Mhm. I think the last time you said you were half Filipino, and half Japanese. Yeah, that's a interesting cultural background of your family.
Once a year, I went to Philippines. So
Philippines?
Once a year.
Ah,
Vacation, summer vacation. I went to 1 month.
Mhm.
I had been cousin.
in Philippines,
So
30. Ah, yeah. So your home language is Japanese, right? But can you speak Filipino? Ah, yeah.
My Philippines house. I had house in Philippines.
Mhm.
My mom's hometown is my native here. My hometown is Chapacan, Zamboanga.
Mhm.
It's a side country.
Yeah, countryside.
Not saying Tagalog.
What?
Tagalog is a Philippine language.
Mhm.
It's not saying my mom speaks half Philippine language and half Spanish.
Oh,
It's difficult.
mm.
Not saying
Why did you learn some Spanish from your mom?
since my mom said we know those traits what to do.
Yeah, right. The more languages you know, the more opportunities you get. Well, I mean, being a chef doesn't quite need much language skill.
If I finish the English, I won't study Spanish.
Ah, yeah, lots of people speak Spanish here in Australia. Right. Hi, George. Good day.
Hi, Mr. Jerry.
How are you today?
All good. All
Good.
good. I was
Awesome.
very busy today.
What was that?
I was very busy today.
You were very busy today?
Very busy.
What was your job?
More job.
Uh-huh. So you had lots of work today, right?
Okay.
Mhm. Right. Let me write down George's name.
cái tay bông chị nó bị hư một bên để bây giờ chị là to cái kia chị không không thôi được rồi vậy em học điện thoại rồi em dùng tay phone của em có chi để khi nào em dùng máy tính em dùng tiền cho chị nhé chắc nếu mà rảnh nạp giùm em 50 ngày mai em gửi chị 100. Hello teacher.
Hi, Ken.
Hello,
On the way
I'm on the
again?
way home. Yes, yes.
Yeah, no problem. Hi, Ben.
Hi, teacher.
How are you doing today?
I'm good. How about you?
Not bad, thanks. Okay, it's been a while since we had the last fast class today. I think in the previous weeks, it was Mr. Jerry who took your class, and today I'm in charge. Let's wait for 1 more minute since it's still a small class right now, and then we'll get started.
All right. How about the Mr. Terry? He's got the vacation.
No, I think that's just he's got some different jobs to do. Yeah,
Yep,
not
yep,
sure about that.
No worries.
Okay, let's get started. So first of all, let me introduce today's objectives. For today's class, we're going to focus on problem solving. So I think you have looked at this in the previous weeks as well. So we're going to continue talking about problem solving today. The focus will be basically 2 points. First, we're going to revise. That focus on the revision focuses on multi-step word problems here. And then we're going to move on to L3. That is called Venn diagram. Venn diagram. It looks like a difficult stuff, but don't worry about that. That's super easy and really handy for you to solve the mathematics problems. And then we're going to revise the skills you have learned in the previous classes, including the 4 math methods: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All right, now first let's get started with the 4 methods. First thing, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And right here, I give you some. Okay, I don't get this stuff. Let's just use this. Don't take a note yet. It's not the time yet. Okay, now everybody, can you see the words here and the marks here? George, Ben, can you
Yes,
see it?
yes, yes.
Yep, great. Kota, pay attention. Yeah, so
Addition.
here on the
Addition.
left, yes, George, can you read these words for us?
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
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 Yeah. So here, as you can see, the marks on the right are not right, are not correct. I want you to match them to tell me which one is addition, which one is subtraction, which one is multiplication, and which one is division. Okay, George, can you tell me which one is addition? Is it number 1, 2, 3, or 4?
It's 3.
Yes.
Number
that's
3.
right. Excellent. Thank you, George. And next one, can you tell us which one is subtraction?
Subtraction is the first one.
The first one? Did you say the first one or the 4th one?
The fourth.
The 4th, right?
Yes, yes.
Subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Okay, next one, multiplication. Ben, can you tell us?
Yes. Second one.
The second one. Excellent.
George.
Yeah, we have George, Ben, Ken, and Kota here.
Hi, Ken. Hi, Ben. Hi, George.
We can't see you.
Hi, Miss May. Yeah, see, they know my voice.
Of course. And the last one, Kota, can you tell us which one do we match? Yes, number 1. Unfortunately, I don't know how to type that mark, but that means division as well. Right, so these are the 4 methods we use the basic methods we use when doing math. Okay, and apart from recognizing the methods, we also need to know how to read the math equation. The first thing, addition. To read a addition equation, we need to say something plus something equals something. Okay, and there are some few options for you. Apart from saying plus, you could say something and something is something. And of course, you could say something and something equals, okay, not equals. This one is better, right? Basically 2 ways to say it. And you could use these terms interchangeably, but these two are the most common ones. Okay, now we have 6. What I want you to do, everybody, I'm gonna choose each of you to read the equation for me and tell me the result. Okay, the first one, George. George, could you figure out this equation?
6 6 plus
Plus
6 plus 7 equals 13.
15. Yeah, good. George, can you read this word again for me? So you here makes a sound. So that's altogether plus.
Plus.
Plus. That's right.
Plus.
So now can you read this again?
6 plus 7 equals 15.
Perfect. That's really good. Thank you, George.
Okay.
Is it 15? Oh yeah, all right. Is the answer 15? I got checked. Is the answer 15? It's actually 13. 13. All right, next one.
13.
Yeah, 13. Ben, can you read the sentence here and figure out, tell us the outcome? 8?
8 plus 9 equal 17.
17. Excellent. Next one. Kota, can you read it for us?
5 plus 11 equals 16.
Right. Excellent. Next one, Can. Can you read this for me?
Yes. 3 plus 19 equal 22.
22. Perfect. And Andrea. Hi, Andrea.
Hi, Mr.
Hi, good morning or good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Good. Awesome. Okay, so Andrea, we are revising the 4 methods in mathematics, and now we're looking at addition. Addition. That means you add something. So here, I'm going to write half of a equation. Can you read it for me?
2 plus 4
Plus.
4 equals 6.
Beautiful. Yes. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Very good.
Yes.
Now, we have done the revising and addition. Next one, we're going to look at subtraction. To read subtraction, you need to say something. Subtracts something equals or is something. For example, 7 subtracts 4 equals 3. Okay. 7 subtracts 4 equals 3. Okay, now again, we're going to practice reading the sentences. 1. Ota, can you read this for us? 3, right? 9 subtract 6 equals 3. Next one. Ben, can you read this for us?
Just subtraction 8.
12
Subtraction 8
subtracts 8
equals
equals,
5.
is it 5?
5.
4. 4.
4.
It's 4. 4. All right, very good, Ben. I mean, you were wrong with the results, but you used the words well, so that's good. Again, don't forget that we're not here to learn math. We're here to learn how to describe math or figure out math with English, in English. Okay, next one. George, can you read this for us?
10 to subtract
10 subtract 7
equals 3.
equals 3. Excellent. Okay, we're not going to go through everybody because we have something else to do today. Next one. Multiplication. To read multiplication, say something multiplies or times. But normally we say multiplies. Times is like more not quite precise.
Times
Something, yeah, times or multiplies something equals something. Okay. So let's look at some examples. Can you figure out this for us?
I will try. 8 multiply 9 equal 72.
72. Beautiful. So 8 multiplies. Sorry. 9 equals 72. What's wrong? Never mind. Okay, next one. Bayu. Hi, Bayu.
Hi, teacher.
How's it going?
I'm good. How about you?
Not bad, thanks. So we have Bayu and Carol. Hi, Carol. How are you?
Yes, fine.
Fine. All right. So Bayu, Carol, today we're going to look at problem solving as a topic. And right now we are revising the 4 methods in mathematics. And at the moment we're looking at the multiplication, how to read multiplication. Bayu, can you try figure out this for us and read it out?
5 multiplies 5 equals 25.
Right. 5 multiplies 5 equals 25. Excellent. Next one. Okay, we're gonna move on. Division. To read division, you need to say something divided by something equals something. For example, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Okay, now let's do some practice. Carol, can you figure this out for us?
12 divided by 3 equals 4.
Excellent. 12 divided by
Divide
3
12 divide.
equals 4. Next one. Pocha, can you figure this out for us?
Yes.
Very good. So 10
10
divided by
by 2
2
5.
equals 5. Excellent. Last one. George, can you try this? George,
Yeah. 16 divide 4 equal
divide. Don't miss this word, George.
divide.
Divided by.
Divide.
Divided.
Divide B.
Yeah, George, can you say this word for me? Divided.
Divide B.
And next one, by.
Divide by.
Okay, one by one, let's break it down. So first word, divided.
Divided by.
Yeah, exactly. Very good.
Okay,
Divided
okay.
by. Good job. So
Okay.
now let's continue.
Again. 16 divide B. 4
Divided.
divided by.
Very good.
4
4
equals.
equals
4.
4. Right. Excellent. That's right. Thank you, George.
Divided by.
Yeah, divided by. All right. So now we have reviewed addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And now we're going to use all of those methods in problem solving. So that means you will probably use subtraction, multiplication, division, and addition. It depends on what you are asked to do. So now let's check this out. Okay. Everybody, can you see the question clearly? Yeah, is it good? Okay. Nice. Now, Carol, can I get you to read this for us?
Ellie and Daryl went to lunch at a cafe. They ordered a spinach salad for $6.20, a tuna sandwich for $5.40, and 2 glasses of lemonade for $1.95 each. The tax was $1.55. They get the waiter $20. How much change should they have received?
Excellent. So first thing, we're going to understand what is talked about here. First sentence, Ellie and Daryl. These are two names, obviously. These two people, they went to lunch at a cafe. So Carol, can you read this word for me again? Cafe.
Cafe.
Yeah, cafe. So this is actually a word borrowed from French, not English, not originated from English. So that's why it doesn't quite sound like an English word, cafe. And another way to spell it is this cafe. So they went to a cafe to have lunch. What did they order? Kota, can you tell us what they have ordered?
Salad,
Yeah.
tuna sandwich, and lemonade.
Right. Lemonade. Excellent. And what else do they have to pay for? The tax. The tax. Yeah. Tax is no matter what you buy, you need to pay depending on how much you spend. Tax gives to the country, the government. It's given to the government. Yeah. Okay, so spinach salad, tuna salad, and lemonade. And what are we going to figure out is that they gave $20 to the waiter. How much change should they have received? What does change mean here? Exchange? Yeah, what is the change? Does anyone know that?
The money have to refund.
Yeah, so it's the money that is given back to someone, right? For example, if you okay. All right. If you give $20 to the cashier, but you only bought things a charge for, say, $15. The change will be $5. That means you're not supposed to pay for. You're not supposed to pay the extra $5. You get $5 back. So this is change. And what we are looking for is the change after that Ellie and Daryl give $20 to the waiter. All right, now, first, we need to think what method do we need to figure it out? Is that addition or subtraction or multiplication or division?
Addition and subtraction.
Excellent, very good. Good job, George. We need addition and subtraction. So George, can you tell us what do I need to do for addition? Can you tell us the addition equation?
And how much chance should they have received?
Mhm.
The question?
Yeah. So how do you
Eh.
do the addition?
6.20 cents.
Yes, $6.20.
Plus
Plus, very good.
5.40 cents.
5.40.
Cents plus 1.85 cents.
1.95
1.95
plus 1.95.
plus no.
Is that
Okay.
right, George?
Those glaze of lemonade for 1.95.
Uh-huh. All right. Yeah, so now I understand what you're confused with, George. Let's look at this word. Each.
Each.
What does each mean? Means every one. Every one of the glass of lemonade.
Okay.
Charge for $1.95.
Each.
Right? That means if you buy 2 glasses of lemonade, you need 2
Plus
$1.95.
Okay.
Right? So that's why.
Plus 1.55.
1.55. Excellent. Okay, now everybody please do the addition for me and put your answer in the chat box. Lots of different answers. What's your answer, Kwata?
It's like $1. $1 true. If the lemonade is true, the answer is $16.
Hello.
Okay. So did you figure out this equation?
Yeah, it's
What's the result of this equation? $16?
Yeah. My brain is coconut.
Okay, now let me tell the answer. It's $17.05. So yeah, just simply do the addition. Plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this, then you get this. If you got it wrong, maybe you missed one of the items. Double check your equation. Make sure every item is added in here. Okay, so here, what's this price? Can anyone tell me what is $17.05? What does this number mean? Yeah, right. So this is how much they should spend, right? This is how much they should spend. However, they gave $20 to the waiter. They need change from it, right? See, 20 is greater than 17.05. So what do we need right now? Kota? What do we do?
$17.5. Then minus $20.
Okay, let's see if that works.
Minus
$20.
2.95.
Okay, you've got a correct result, but the equation is wrong. We have the greater number at the front. So that 20 goes first. That's 20 minus
Equals. Yes, it's
70.05.
17.5.
So the bigger one is on the left and the smaller one is on the right. The bigger one goes first. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now everybody please put your answer in it, in the chat box. And by the way, another words to read the subtraction. So we have subtract, right? Or you can say minus. Minus is used more often. Now everybody please put your answer in the chat box. Tell me what's the number here. Very good. $2.95. Excellent. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Andrea. Andrea, would you read this prompt for us? The question here.
Yes, Mr. Judith bought nice book about animals. 10 books about author, space, and 8 books about trains, 8 boot cuts, 8 how much did Judith spends on the books?
All right, thank you, Andrea. Very good. Very good reading. And all right, let's look at the items Judith has bought. How many types of books? Listen carefully. How many types of books has Judith bought? Value?
3.
3. Very good. What are they? One is about
One about animals,
Mhm.
and 2 about outer space, and number 3 about trains.
trains. Very good. What's outer space?
Outer space.
Any idea?
Space.
So space here doesn't mean like the room you walk around. It means the universe. So outside the Earth. Right. So if you look at it, let's see. The outer space. About the space. So this is the space. Some
Astronaut.
science book, right? So 3 types of books. And let's see. Even there are 3 types of books, don't be tricked by the description, because there's one thing you need to be careful with. That's right here. Each book costs $8. What does that mean? For example, how much is one of the animal books?
9.
How much is one of the book about animals?
$8.
$8, right? It's $8 for this. What about the books about outer space? How much is one of the books about the outer space?
$8.
$8, right? Each book, all of the book. And George, how much is one of the books about trains? George? How much is one of the books about trains? $8, exactly. So each book, no matter what type it is, it costs $8. It means if you want to buy one of the books, whether it's about the animals or outer space or trains, you all need to pay $8 for that. Okay, now the 4 methods. What do we need?
Addition and multiplication.
George, can you say that again?
Addition
Addition
and multiplication.
and multiplication, right? We need addition and multiplication. Okay, what's the first step? Do we do multiplication first or addition first?
Addition. Addition.
Addition? You think so?
Addition. Multiplication.
What do we need to do first? The thing is that we first
Addition.
get how many, how much does it need for 9 books about animals? Then we need how much we need for the 10 books about outer space, and how much does it need for 8 books about trains. And then we put them all together we get the total number, right? On the books, spent on the books, like all the books. So the first thing, we need to figure out each of them. Each of them. Now, Carol, can you tell us how to get how much is spent on books about animals?
9 times $8 equals to $72.
$72, right? The $72 are for
And
what is $72 for?
animal book
For books about
animal.
animals. That's right. Good job, Carol. Next one. Can you see the questions here? Okay, I think Ken is still on the way.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, yeah, great. So can you tell us how can we figure out the money paid for books about outer space?
So the book about outer space, we got 10 books.
10 books.
Yes.
How much is each book?
$8 for each.
$8, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Equal $80.
$80.
Book about outer space.
Fantastic. To buy 10 books about outer space, Judith needs to spend $80 for that. Okay, last one, Andrea. Andrea, can you tell us how much Judith needs for the 8 books about trains?
Oh my God.
How many books are there about trains?
8.
8 books, very good. And how much is each book?
How much expensive?
One book.
One.
One book. How much
Yes.
is one book? Andrea, can you read this for me?
8 box costs 8.
$8.
8.
Yeah. Each book
Yeah.
costs $8. That means if you have 8 books here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each of them is $8. $8. Is that clear, Andrea?
Yes, Mister.
Yeah, so what you need to do is 8 books multiplies
Eight.
the price of each book. How much is it?
8.
8.
8, very good. So 8 times 8 equals
16.
60.
$60.
64. That's $64.
Oh,
Yeah, good. Andrea,
Yes.
can you read this again for us? 8
8 Mm,
Like you
multiply,
say, yeah, multiplies
multiplies 8 equals
equals
64.
64.
64.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, so that is the books about trains. Very good. Okay, now forget about this funny drawing. What do we do next? Yeah, addition. We join these numbers. All right, Bayu, can you tell us what's the addition?
Yes, sure. 72
72
plus 80
plus 80
plus 64
plus 64
equals 216.
216 dollars. Okay, let me see if that's right.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. Perfect. Good job. Thank you, Bayu. So that's how much Judith spent on the books, right? So we put the answer. Turn it down. Up here, no problem. Muted. Even lower. I'm afraid I can't hear that. Bayu, can you say something, please?
What? Yes.
I'm just testing my speaker. Can you say that again?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Bayu. So we have $216. Put in the block. There we go. Now, Ben, can you read the question for us?
Okay. Ayana bought 5 packs of white t-shirt and 3 packs of blue t-shirts for her basketball team. The white t-shirt come in packs of 6 and blue shirts come in packs 6. How many t-shirts did Ayana buy in all?
Very good. Thank you, Ben. Okay, again, let's look at the language here. From the first sentence, Ayana bought 5 packs of white t-shirts. So what do we know? We know that we have white t-shirts. Five of them, right? And what about the next one? 3 packs of blue t-shirts. Three packs. Remember that's the pack, not the t-shirts. It's the packs. One pack is a like a bag. For example, This is a pack. In one pack, there can be lots and lots of t-shirts. So it's not about the number. Five, this word is not for the t-shirts in the bag. It's the number of the bags. Okay, how many bags there are, right? So that means there are 5 same bags for the white t-shirts. And we don't know how many t-shirts there are in one of the packs. Okay, be clear with that. What we know right now is we have 5 packs of the white t-shirts and 3 packs of the blue t-shirts for the basketball team. Okay, next. The white t-shirts comes in packs of 6. First expression here, come in. You need to understand that come in is not like I'm asking you to come in the room. Comes in can be used to talk about some features of something.
No, when
For
someone
example,
come in or something you buy, come to your house, yeah?
I'll give you some example.
In the box.
And hi, Dizzy.
Hello, teacher. Sorry, I'm a little bit late.
That's all right. I'm gonna add your name here. Okay, so when you say come in to describe the features of something, it could be like
I know something. When you buy something,
comes-
you have more than 2 things inside.
Yes, but I'm talking about the language. So it's like I'm explaining what comes in means.
Okay.
A spider comes in
I know what does it mean.
6 legs. Yeah. Is
Yeah.
it 6 legs? Okay, let's just pretend that it's 6 legs.
I think the
But
spider have
no-
8 legs, teacher.
No big deal. So if you say a spider comes in 6 legs, it doesn't mean that a spider goes into 6 legs, like go in 6 legs. No, it means that a spider has 6 legs. So that's a natural feature of a spider. Yeah. Comes in this context means have or has. Yeah. And for example, you say a human. What's the number here? Does it?
6. Oh, sorry. I did the spider one with 2 eyes.
Yeah, 2 eyes. That would be terrible if a human comes in 6
No,
eyes.
I was still reading with for the spider. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So a human comes in 2 eyes. That means that normally a human has 2 eyes, right? Comes in can be used to describe some features of something. And furthermore, if we talk about some products, let's say.
I was about to ask about it for the product.
Let me think.
Well, like for example, teacher, when I order something online with, for example, let's say for pencils, we can say the bag of the pencils coming with 10 pencils or something like that.
Yeah, something like that. A package comes in with 10 pens. Let me think. What's a classic thing? Okay. But bedding package comes in 2 pillow cases and one bed sheet. For example, if you go to IKEA, IKEA, right? If you go to IKEA, you might find that they hang some package, like a big package. Inside the package, they have 2 pillowcases and 1 bed sheet. So this package can be described as a bedding package, comes in 2 pillowcases and 1 bed sheet. So comes in, again, it's not like moving into some moving inside. It's not about moving inside. It's about what it has. Does that make
It means
sense?
when you buy something, yeah, it come with.
Yeah, not necessarily when you buy something. It's about the features. So, for example, some other context, if you are reading a report about an animal, it could be like a spider comes in six legs.
Yeah, when you read that books, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what does that mean? The white t-shirt comes in packs of 6. Packs of 6 is different from 6 packs. It means that all of the packs here
are from 6 t-shirt.
How many packs are there? 5 packs, right? 5 packs for the white and 3. I'm gonna use another color. 3 packs for the blue. Why don't I just use the corresponding color? Okay, it's not possible to use white. So 5 packs for white, right? And 3 packs for blue. Okay, now let's look at this one. White t-shirts comes in packs of 6. That means each of the pack or all of the 5 packs, inside the packs, there are 6 t-shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's what it means by the white t-shirts comes in packs of 6. Does that make sense? So it can be used in some other context. For example, we are a group of 5. What does that mean? Does that mean we have 5 groups?
No, one group with 5 people.
Right. It means that in this group, we have 5 people. We are a group with 5 people. So the way to say that is that we are a group of 5. A pack of 6. A pack of 6 means that each pack has 6 t-shirts here. The packs of 6 means that 5 of the packs, inside them, each of them has 6 t-shirts. Okay, let me see who else just came in. Hi, Suto.
Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Awesome. Okay, and what about the blue t-shirts? The blue t-shirts come in packs of 6 as well. All right, that's easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the total of the t-shirts. Now, the question, how many t-shirts did Ayana buy in all? So that means all of the t-shirts, right? All of the t-shirts. Okay, so to figure out this, what math methods do we need? So that's called multiplication. Anything else, everybody? Sutor, what else do we need?
Yeah.
Do you know that?
Yes, I know a little bit.
Okay, if you're not sure, you can listen to it. Ben, other than multiplication, what else do we need?
Sorry.
So to get the total number of the t-shirts, we need multiplication. What else do we need? We need addition. Addition. We need to put them together. Okay, how do we use multiplication? Let me give this challenge to George. George? How can I, how do you get the total number of the white t-shirts?
White, the white t-shirt, and 6.
For the white t-shirts, how many packs are there?
The pack, 6 packs, 5 packs.
5 packs. And how many t-shirts are there in each pack?
6 packs. 6.
6.
T-shirts. 6 t-shirts.
So that comes to
30 shirts.
30 t-shirts. That's right. Excellent. 30 t-shirts. Thank you, George. Okay. Ben, can you have a try? How many blue t-shirts?
T-shirts. 3 multiplication.
So 3 multiplies
3.
Okay,
Mul-
Ben, can you say this again for us? 3
Three.
multiplies.
3 multiplies 3.
Is that 3?
6.
6.
6, right? 3 here is for the packs. We have 1, 2, 3 packs of the blue shirts. How many blue shirts are there in each pack?
6.
6 of them, right? Very good. So that's 6 equals
18.
18. Okay, so we have 18 blue shirts, blue t-shirts. So Tor,
Yes.
now we've got 18 blue t-shirts and 30 white t-shirts. Can you tell us how many t-shirts does Ayana have?
Yes, Yar has like 48 t-shirts.
48 t-shirts. Very good. So Tor, can you read the full equation of the addition? Can you read the full sentence? How did you get the number?
Yes, the number I get like a 30 plus 18 equal 48.
Fabulous. Very good. Thank you, Sutor. So the
Yes.
total number is 48. Any questions? No. Well done. Okay, so for the rest of the time, not the rest of the time, for this one, this question, I'm not going to guide you to do it. You need to do it by yourself. So read the question by yourself and figure out the question. Put your answer in the chat box. I'm going to get some water.
I think this is very easy.
2 more minutes.
Peter, I know everyone of this one is 34,000.
Sorry, what did you say, Dizzy?
I think everyone got this one. It's very easy.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the math thing is really easy, but we need to focus on the language again. So let me see. Dizzy, can you tell us how many stickers did the friends get? Please don't just tell me one number. Tell me the full equation.
He shared to his friend from 3 stickers.
So what is the equation?
How many stickers did the friends get? His friend get from the 3 stickers.
All of the friends?
Yeah. All of his friends get from 3 stickers.
Okay, each. Okay, that was my fault. I need to change the question. How many stickers were given to friends?
To his friend was given from 3 stickers.
Sorry, Dizzy, can you say that again?
Can you hear me, teacher?
Yeah, I just didn't hear that clearly.
Okay. His friend was given from were given from 3 stickers.
So can you read the whole equation?
How many stickers were given to his friends? To his friend was given from 3 stickers.
Yeah, I mean, sorry, Dizzy, I didn't make it clear. Yeah, thank you for reading the question. So can you tell us how many?
I'm saying from 3.
3?
Yeah.
Is it 3?
He said he gave the 3 stickers to each of his friends.
Okay, so thing is that how many stickers were given to friends? Like all the stickers.
All together, 21.
21, right? So that's
3 multiplied for 7.
Yeah.
20 equals 21.
Equals 21. Perfect. Thank you, Dizzy. And next, Ben. Ben, can you tell us the results? How did you get the results?
3 multiplied 7.
No, I mean the last one. How many stickers does Jake have left?
55.
55.
Take away.
Subtraction.
What do you call this?
Yes. 21 equal 34.
How do you read this, Ben? 55 what?
Minus
or subtract. Minus or subtract. So 55 minus
21 equals
21 equals 34. Thank you. Good job. Well done, everybody. Okay, now we have done the 4 methods. Next, we're going to look at a new math method. And here, we're not going to just look at the numbers. We're going to bring in some interesting things. We're going to use circles to help us figure out the math problems. That is called Venn diagram. Venn diagram. Kota, can you read this for us? Venn diagram. Right. Okay. It's better for you to understand what Venn diagram in the question here. So first, Sutor, can you read the question for us?
Yes. Of the people in Ayana's family, 10 have been to Illinois and 9 have been to New York. 6 people have been to both Illinois and New York. How many people have been to Illinois but not New York?
Very good. And the hint is that copy and complete the Venn diagram below to help you solve the problem. Okay, now let's look at each of them. Of the people in Ayana's family, so people in the family, 10 of the family members have been to Illinois. Illinois is a state in the United States. So 10 of them have been to Illinois. Then in the circle, it means that the whole circle stands for 10. Okay, and 9 have been to New York. It means that the full circle, including the common part. Okay, not just this part, but the full circle. All right. The entire circle stands for 9. Why can they go cross? Because it's not that one person can only go to one place, right? Some of them have been to both Illinois and New York. Where are they? Let me see if you can find it. In the diagram, in the circle, where do we find the 6 people who have all been to both Illinois and New York? Does anyone know that? Which part does the 2 circles go across? Which part? The middle part, right? So it's right here, the middle part. In this part, there are 6 people. 6 people have been to both Illinois and New York. Any question? So far, do you understand everything?
Yes.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Now, the question is, how many people have been to Illinois, but not New York? Okay, so now we know the yellow circle means 10. The 9 circle, sorry, the green circle means 9. And the middle part where both 9 and 10 go across is 6. Where can I find the people who have been to just Illinois, but not New York? Does anyone know that? If you know, you can raise your hand and annotate on the screen. So you can draw and tell me which part it is.
Illinois.
Yes, is that Ben?
Yes.
Which part?
Illinois.
Did you say 11?
Illinois.
Illinois, yes. So which part of the circle? Which part of the circle? Which part of the circle represents the people who have been to Illinois, but not New York? It's this part. This part. Right? You see, this part. This part is the people who have been to both Illinois and New York. And that means other than that, the rest of the people they have been to Illinois, but they haven't been to New York. Does that make sense, Ben? Okay, I'm going to visualize it for better understanding. Now what I'm gonna do is using the whiteboard. Okay, so just give me a moment. I'm going to get some picture, see if that works. Okay, fine, doesn't work. No, not at all. All right, I'm gonna use some other shapes. So let's pretend that this is a person. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I thought I have problem with my phone, teacher, when you do that.
Your phone?
I thought at the beginning, I have problem with my phone. It was everything white. I can't see you.
You can't see me? Let me see.
No, I can see you. I'm using my phone.
Yeah.
I can see on the whiteboard. Nothing else.
Yeah. You can't. Okay, everybody, can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, on the whiteboard, but not you.
Yeah, I'm on the right, the list of the profiles. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Okay, I think it's better to just put them in a row. All right, so now I'm going to draw this to represent Illinois, and the other to represent New York. So what did we get? 9 of them have been to Illinois. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Is that right? Let me see. 10 of them have been to Illinois. And what happened with that?
New country.
And 9 of them have been to New York City. Okay, this is gonna be messy. We're finding people between them. That 6 of them have been to both New York City and Illinois. And the way you do that is just use all people all people who have been to Illinois. This equals people who have been to Illinois only plus people who have been to Illinois and New York City. Right? So if you want to get it, it's that you use the total number, which is 10, minus the number of people who both have been to Illinois and New York City, which is 6. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 4 is the result. Okay, so let's see let's come back to the problem here. Again, 9 of them have been to Illinois. Sorry, my bad. 10 of them. 10 of them have been to Illinois, and 9 of them have been to New York City. And for the both groups, 6 people have been to Illinois and New York. So it's 10 minus 6, that equals 4. Does that make sense? Let's try with another one. Of children in Oscar's class, 7 have a green block. 7 have a green block. 6 children have a red block. 4 children have both green block and a red block. How many children have a red block but not have a green block? Okay, so let's mark the circle first. For the green block, the circle on the left, what's the number I should write? Value? How many children have a green block?
7.
Come again?
7.
Yeah, that's 7. So 7 for the purple circle here. That means the green block. Right. And Sator, how many children have a red block?
6.
6 children. Right. So this circle is 6. And between these children, no matter 7 or 6, there are 4 children who have both a green block and a red block. How many are they? Carol?
4 children in the middle.
Can you say that again? I can't hear that.
4 children in the middle side.
Yeah, right. 4 children have a green block and a red block. Okay, so now we are looking for how many children have a red block but not a green block. Does anyone know how to get that number?
3.
What did you say, Dizzy?
3 children.
I think you're on the right track, but you got the number wrong. So see, we're looking for the red block only. So we are actually looking at the circle on the right. It means that there are 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of the children have a red block. But is there anyone who have some green blocks here in these 6 children? Between these 6 children, some of them have both green and red. How many are they?
2.
Both green and red. 4. It tells you, right? 4 children have both a green block and a red block. Okay. So I'm going to tell you the answer. The answer is 2. 2 children. It's 6 minus 4 equals 2. And I'm going to show you why. So see, I color the children full in orange. That means they have a red, they just have a red block, okay? And half means that they have both red block and the green block. So half green, half green, half green, half green. Okay, sorry. I think this is the full green as well. So full green, full green, full green. I made some mistake. There you go. Okay. What does that mean here? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. Yeah. So 7 of the children. 7 of the children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them have a green block. And 6 of them have a red block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And between all of these children, 4 of them have both green and red. Think about it. This graph shows what it means here with the circles. The number here is 6. The number here is 4. Does that make sense? Bayu, did you get it?
This is
No,
little bit difficult, but if you read it again and again, you read it better, you can understand it.
Yeah, okay, we're going to go through more example here. George, can you read the question here for us?
People we all like to play hockey. All people like to play. 2 people like to play hockey and basketball. How many people like to play hockey or basketball?
Excellent. Thank you, George. So of the people on Shelley Street, all of these people, 4 of them like to play hockey, and 4 of them like to play basketball. And between all of these people, 2 of them like to play both hockey and basketball. Now let's fill the number in the circles. What do I write in the left circle, Ben?
4.
4, that's right. And what do I write in the right circle, Bayu?
It's 4.
4, right. And Dizzy, what do I write in the middle?
2.
Yeah, that's 2.
I think the answer is 6, teacher. I'm not sure, but it's 6.
How many people like to play hockey or basketball or both?
I do.
8.
6 plus 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. I think it's 6. So I'm not sure, but
8.
So we are thinking about how many people like to play hockey or basketball or both. We're looking at the total number, right? All of them, all the circles. So what is the number? Again, we need to draw it. 4 of them here. 4 plays plays hockey on the left, and 4 of them play basketball, and between them is the common group that has both basketball and hockey, right? And there we go. Here is 4, and here is 4. So that's right. And we count how many people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is you're right. The answer is 6. Does that help everybody? Value, you look so confused.
It's easy. 4 plus 2 is 6.
4 plus 2.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But what if I turn the number into 5? What if I turn it into 5? Then you just simply add one more person on the left.
Yeah, it's 7. Yeah, it's 7.
So that's 7.
1 more people, yeah.
Yeah. So there are 2 methods to do it. One is that you take 5 from the group from the left plus let me see, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means that you're adding the group from just this shadow here, right outside the circle of 5. So you get it. That's 5 plus 2, right? 7. The other way, you could do this circle, right, plus the part outside the circle here. And to do that, you can say 4 plus 5 minus 2. That equals 7 as well. Is it difficult, guys?
I think
difficult, teacher.
Okay, I think, yeah, it does take some.
For example, teacher, if the number of the people in the left, I like to play basketball, say it was 8, is the answer is going to be 10? Yeah, 8 plus 2, 10.
Okay, it's not like the traditional ways you use the 4 methods in mathematics.
Yeah, but
it's about including and excluding.
Yeah.
But I mean, that's good to have a try with that. I think next time we're gonna focus on a simpler idea. But good job, guys, today.
It's a little bit confusing, but if you concentrate well, read it good, is
but everybody has done a great job in the 4 methods, which is what let's say the basic thing you need to achieve. The content today is more like some challenge for you because you have learned well in the 4 methods. So I want to see how far you can go. Yeah, so we're about to finish. Bayu, can you tell us one thing you have learned or revised today?
Yeah, I learned about
I think the event,
and multiplication.
The problem solving with 4 methods, right?
Yes.
Right. Dizzy, can you tell us something you have learned today?
Yes, I learned about the Venn diagram. Today it was a little bit confusing, but it was helping. So it was helpful.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your participation. That's all for today. And I'll see you next week. Have a good one.
Thank you,
Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye,
Bye
everyone.
bye.